Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer relations section in the Saudia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the help button. And at the help section, click on the customer relations button. And as you can see, this section provides help for any feedback or complaints regarding different topics. So here you can find two contacts that you can call and get help. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.